Hey guys, 450 Cyrex here, and I'm gonna play you another game of Feudalism. Hey, here we go with my Yes, I actually have like another laptop again, so if you see like a slight different change, like slight change or difference, the reason is I just played the game again so that I could go back to whatever I'm gonna do. I watched my first video so that I could go back to like have the same stats and then have the same weapons or whatnot. But if there's a little slight difference, then you have to go along with it though. Alright, I'm gonna have to go to what is wrong with this game. Ugh. Uh, sorry, this game is a little bit uh uh whatever. Right now, I don't know why it's like this. Oh, see, I didn't know what's wrong with this game. I really don't know. But I'm gonna go. What's wrong with this game? I'm gonna have to stay with this for now. I don't need you guys yet. I'm gonna have to. No, not yet. I already sold everything. Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna have to get used to this fucked up game right now. Ugh. Oh, yes. I'll deal with some rogues. Here we go with some mission objectives today. All right. Get ready for battle, and we go for battle ready-ish. Let's go kill some people. There's only two people. There's only two people. Okay. Ow! Oh, yeah. Yeah. Die. 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 I don't know why. I just like killing people when it comes to this game. And I have two-handed sword and a militia axe. That's pretty cool. Ready for battle? A horse. Okay. Oh, that was a miss. Okay. I'm not doing this. It's gonna have to deal with sacrificing my soldiers. So I'm gonna turn this off. And then I'm gonna go back to my place, which is... And I get encountered by people. There's only one of them. That's all I needed to do. No, shoot. I'll shoot you with my bow. Bowman. Or... Yeah. Let's go back to my city. Uh... Quest? No? Alexandria. Okay. I'm going back. Let's see. Forging. Let's see, I'm gonna take you out. Take two out. I don't need this hand sword. Don't ask. Just sell. Let's see. Like I said, if you have like a lot of weapons that you don't want to keep, just sell them all so that way you can get this amount of money. And I'm not a spear person, so I'm gonna have to sell everything that I don't need or don't want. Because I have all of these that I need here. Constitution. Okay. Since I have a lot of money now, I can just buy my soldiers, which is the arrow people. Because I need the arrows for conquering cities. Alright, we're gonna conquer some cities and then we're gonna kill them. This is gonna take a little while. And yes, I might do more Let's Plays. So if you... I might do a little bit more of, sorry. Might do a little bit more of Kirby, a little bit more of Mega Man, but I'm gonna have to focus with Medal of Honor soon. I'm going to probably try to play Mega Man soon. I mean, Medal of Honor soon. Okay, I'll switch it up. Switch it up. Okay, we're going to where's Alexandria? We're going over here first. Oh, oh, fine. I'll do the rogue missions, but I have to conquer you later on the next Let's Play, I guess. I don't know. My best weapon of choice is the crossbow. I just love the crossbow, and I'm going back to my crossbow, crossbow. I'm gonna kill you with my crossbow. Goodbye. Goodbye. Stop moving away from me. Ugh. There you go. Stop moving away from me, because you're being stupid. We have to buy a lot more soldiers. Because I don't want to risk having less soldiers soon. But I don't care about the money, I'll just waste a lot of them. Alright, here we go. Actually, I want to sell one of you. Because I need the money. And I'm just gonna sell you all. Oh, sorry. Ask the amount. Wait, light crossbow. I might just keep you for a while. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you either. I don't like you either. I don't like you. I don't like you. I don't like you either. So I'm gonna go with let's see. Okay. I need 30 dexterity and more crossbow and patriotism. I'm gonna go with that. Now I'm gonna have to switch you. Okay. Switch you. Constitution. Ugh. Okay, fine. I'm gonna have to go with a lot more of Constitution soon. But what? Oh, okay, okay, okay. This game is screwing me over now. I don't know why. Shoot, horses! Die, horses! Now it's time to conquer one city, which is Ah! Gosh, damn it! It's time to conquer Lutetia. I will conquer you. Are you sure you want to fight us? I am very sure. Now die. We already won. Is that all you got? Okay. Oh, I'm shooting a tree. What the hell? Okay then, tree. Okay, I was shooting a tree like an idiot. Okay then. Oh my god. I'm so stupid. Alright, I'm gonna have to go with more crossbow. Okay. And dexterity to 35. And sword a little bit more up there. So I'll put you on it. No, not yet. 25? No? Oh. Oh, okay, okay, okay. I got it. Okay. Let's see. Now, I need one of you. So I'll take you out. I'll take you. I'll get rid of 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 you. You too. You too. Have a good day. Have a good damn day. You will stay there. I don't like you. I don't like you either. Uh, no, no, and we don't like axes. Uh, I'm taking you out. Taking one of you out. Which one? Okay. Alright. 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 Okay, I'm selling you. Let's see what should I get? Alright. Ah, this game is screwing me over. Alright, some Baroque's time, and I'm gonna go with a little bit of soldiers. Because I have all of this money. And I can have a lot more if I can conquer everything. Let's see, I can conquer you all. Oop, sorry. Sorry, I'm all based on weaponized uh weapons, swords with shield soldiers, because that's one of my best ones. That's one of the best ones I can ever think of right now, because I'm all the archer person. When it comes to archery, there's a big that big like thing where I can shoot arrow strikes in the air over there, like I showed you before earlier. It's like one of the best things that happens in the freaking game. Oh, shit. Okay. I am buying you all for more arrow air strikes. I should call it arrow strikes. If I can spell it right, then I'll be happy for the lulz. I'm gonna conquer you. Alright, okay, this game is screwing me over then. No, okay. Alright, okay, we don't care. That's all I'm gonna do. Rule your city. I'm a ruler. And I will measure you. Every inch of what you have there. I'm just chilling. Because I want to chill. Attack me, go ahead. Okay, run, okay. Okay, this is no good. Where am I? Oh, sorry. We won. Alright, now I'm gonna have to go back and let's see. Okay. Hey. Now I can get a lot of money now. Probably not a lot, but I'm gonna keep on selling and everything. I'm gonna sell you out because you suck. Okay. Damn you. Fine. You know what? I'm gonna have to keep one of you. Because I need one of you. I need one of you a little bit later. Now I'm gonna go. No, not that one. I'm not going back there again. Ah. Hurry up, game. Let's Constitution, raising you up. Okay, I think I know what to do. A little bit more crossbow. Barracks. Now we're gonna have fun, actually. Gonna go with some more archers. Some more archers. Oh my lord. Some more archers. More archers and more archers. Why can't we have Hawkeye and Green Arrow in here? I need those two people. Literally, I really need those two people. Morally Hawkeye, because I love Hawkeye more. I'm gonna keep on buying all these archers until I don't have any money anymore. I'm gonna buy me some more of these guys. I don't know if they're gonna be let's see, the defense. I'm just using these for pawns. I'm using these merely as pawns right now. So I'm sorry if you think I'm stupid for doing this, but I know what I'm doing. Ugh, my eyes are getting ouchy today. Yes, I realize that I'm wasting a lot of money right now, but for a good reason. Let's see. Okay. I'm gonna conquer. No, I'm gonna do a little bit more of quests for now. If I can get to a okay quests, yes, some rogues. That's all I need. That way I can get more money and more weapons I can sell, and more of these guys actually. Okay, now I'm gonna do some more. I don't care if I get paid or not. I'm just gonna be there for a little bit of this. I love how this guy's running and this guy's standing when he's dead. That's stupid. Oh no. Die. Die over there, please. This horse. This cheap axed horse, okay? Oh, my neck is starting to hurt. Oh, crap. I can't crack anymore because I already wasted them all. One only. Okay. Selling you, and you, and you, and you. Crossbows, I love crossbows more than arrows, cause crossbows are more badasser and merely shit. Let's see if I can do a little bit more of a okay. Gonna raise up constitution up to 45 and intelligence into 20. More of crossbows, as I need to put this on and this on. So that way I can have a lot more defense. Excuse me. And I'm gonna sell probably these two because I don't need you two. All right, I'm gonna have to end it here, guys. This is a rather long and enjoyable game. Though this game is actually one of my favorites so far, and I really love this game. This game, I want you guys to try it yourselves and see if you can master like whatever you're gonna choose or whatever you're gonna do with this game. It's up to you. You don't have to, but I'm just doing this for the fun and for the fun of this game. Your mission is to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Keep watching, keep subscribing, keep being awesome. I'm 450 Cyrex, and I'm out.